Today we're talking about evolution. Not the evolution of the human creature, but of a creature that once existed in abundance. A creature that roamed these lands many years before in the 1970s, but slowly died off due to the infestation of a much larger creature that slithered from the earth and almost ended its existence. Long ago, during the Bush administration, it was so rare that it was thought to be extinct. But through painstaking planning, hard work, and the efforts of many, this creature is back, and it is now thriving and will continue to thrive well into the future. We start our journey by discussing the early stages of life for this creature, starting with the Inceptious period. This was a time of organization and gathering, where the creature Parae reptilius was born. Parae reptilius spent much of its time underground in a den-like existence at 190 North Main Street, Plymouth, New Hampshire, growing, plotting, and planning, meeting with like-minded people, creating an organization, and setting up a stage for the next exciting era. The era known as the Thermotius period. Parae reptilius, having done the planning it needed, ventured out of its den where it transformed into Parae rooftopius. Parae rooftopius was a creature adept at climbing ladders and working in the sun on a rooftop. Parae rooftopius moved in packs, usually on Saturdays, where they laid out pipes and tubes on rooftops and broke bread all over the region known as Graftonia. Parae rooftopius got the attention of people near and far, and word spread across the land to the point where many new and exciting species were born. The excitement of the Thermotius period continued, but we were about to witness a new and exciting era, the birth of a new and exciting technology in the Photovoltaicus period. The Thermotius period lasted for about 8 annum and ended not due to the lack of Thermotius systems, but because of a new and transformative technology called PV. This ushered in the Photovoltaicus period. During this period, Parae thermosius transformed into Parae electrosius, and still able to climb ladders and work on roofs, evolved from allowing liquids to roam on rooftops to electrons. We've come to Kempton Hollow, a place where you'll find a fine example of two different systems put in at two different times. The two systems sit side by side. The one on the right is a fine example of a thermal system put in at the very dawn of the Thermotius period. The one on the left is a PV system put in, we believe, somewhere in the middle of the Photovoltaicus period. Both are amazing side by side. You'll find this throughout the region, but very often the thermal system was put in well before the PV system. What a find. This is gorgeous. In many ways, the Photovoltaicus period is still going on, but Parae electrosius has slowly evolved into Parae adeptus. Parae adeptus is a highly intelligent creature that can tackle big problems and projects, provide expert advice, and create a world of stability. A respected and admired creature, Parae adeptus works with other species at the state and utility level to help inform the world of energy. Today we are in the Megawattius period, a time where large PV installations are happening at an ever-rapid pace, and the small installations are continuing to dot the countryside to the point where you can scarcely travel a few short miles without seeing one of these creatures basking in the sun, on the roof, or in a field. There are many people to thank for the protection of this species. Over the years, many have come to believe in the mission of the Parae creature and help it thrive and prosper. Thank you.